Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your guitar to BandLab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need a few things first. So an audio interface, so a device that connects your guitar to your computer or mobile device. Popular options include pre-Sonos audio box and BandLab's own Link analog series. You also need some instrument cable, a standard 1/4-inch TS cable to connect your guitar to the audio interface, and obviously a computer mobile device, and headphones so this prevents feedback during recording. Now from here we need to plug your guitar into the audio interface using the 1/4-inch cable, and then connect the audio interface to your computer or mobile device via USB, USB-C or Lightning port. Now we need to go ahead and launch BandLab once that's out the way. So from here, go ahead and click on New Project. I'm inside New Project. And now on the top left hand, we want to go ahead and click on Add Track. Now we can add a voice and audio track with the guitar, or just simply have a guitar. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Guitar. We can also add some effects if we like by clicking on Add Effects, so you can have a look around all the different effects that you can use. We can change the volume on the bottom left, and the pan and reverb. Also here under presets, we can choose some presets if we like as well, so you can look at recommended trending from our artists, etc. Now once you've done that, we simply just gotta hit record and then start playing on your guitar. Then once you've finished, click stop, and then you can go ahead and press play and hear back what you've recorded.